Attention, attention, attention. Today there is gossip on the air. Some persons call this aporoko. Do you really know that people seem to always have something to talk about you? And that is why they have really made you to become a celebrity in their discussions. And that is why they always talk about what you are doing, who you are with, what you never said, and what you never did. But the fact is, you have really lived your life to the level that your life have become so interesting enough for them to always have something to talk about. Now, when you are being gossiped, I do not want you to be angry anymore and ask me why. Why? The reason is that when you are being gossiped, this is really a proof that you have lived your life beyond the ordinary. And so your life that you are living, or the life that you've lived, you are not just living the life for living sake, but you have lived your life to create impact. You have lived a meaningful life, and so your life is visible for people to see, and that is why they talk about. Let me tell you something. In this world, people do not just waste their time to talk about people that are worthless. They spend their time to talk about people that after the conversation, they will still remember those people. Those are the kind of persons they talk about, and you are one because your life is that meaningful. Now, I want you to think about it this way. Why are celebrities always gossiped? Why do people gossip celebrities? Celebrities all over the world are being gossiped not because they are just flawless people, but rather people gossip celebrities on social media, in reality, in their discussions. Why? Because celebrities are visible. They are people that we can really see. They gossip celebrities because celebrities are daring. Celebrities really do things that the ordinary person will never, never try to do. And so it makes people to talk about celebrities. And celebrities also carry influence, and that is why people always talk about them. And that is exactly how your life have become. You are now a celebrity, but unknowingly to you. And that is why this video is really to wake you up to reality. Hello, you are not the person you used to be. Right now, as we speak, I want you to know that you are now a celebrity. So get this awareness. Always be conscious that you are a celebrity. That is why people always talk about you. Okay? Now, when you are being gossiped, I want you to know that that gossip is not all about you, but rather it is about those persons that are gossiping about you. They gossip about you because of the way they perceive you. They gossip about you because of the way you've made them to feel and believe when they compare your life to their life. People gossip you because they admire you a lot, but they don't have the courage, or they don't know how to tell you, or they can't even say that they are admiring you, and so they gossip you. People gossip you sometimes because they have really seen the courage that you have, and this your courage always reminds them of their own fear. And sometimes people gossip you because they admire the courage and boldness that you are living the kind of life you are living, and they wish for it, or they don't have this courage to live the kind of life you are living, and so they gossip you. Now, this is very important for you to note. When you are being gossiped, it is not a time for you to now shrink. You don't have to shrink because people are gossiping you. You don't have to dim your light so that others will shine because you are being gossiped. But I want you to know that when you are being gossiped, this is only a proof that you are important, and you are creating impacts, and you are having influence in the life of people. That is why you are being talked about. Your life is now visible for people to see, meaning you are not hidden. You are visible, and so people can see you. People can see your achievements. People can see your struggle. People can see your boldness. People can see the things you've done. People can see your strengths. And that is why they talk about you. So you don't have to shrink. Keep doing what you are doing. Don't stop. That is why I want you to keep shining. I want you to keep moving. I want you to keep improving on yourself, because your life is so meaningful enough. That is why people spend their valuable time talking about you. People always gossip about you because your life is meaningful, because you are not who you were before. You've changed. There is a change in your life that they are seeing, and these have triggered the gossip. Therefore, do not shrink. Keep pushing on. Keep doing what you are doing. Keep building yourself. This is Simplicity in Peak Channel, where we talk about the truth and the truth alone. If you've not given this video a like, please give this video a like. Share this video with others. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this. I am Dora Bob, your girl. I will catch up with you in my next video.